gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul.
So I'm doing a little different video today. I want to do a video for those of you who have never been to Minnesota or the factory. And I want to show you some steps going through the airport and where to walk, because it can be pretty intimidating if you've never been here before. Marvin provides really good instructions. So the week before your trip, they'll give you a sheet, an email. It has all the information, hotel information, who to call, phone numbers. Very easy to get a hold of people at any time. They'll also give you an itinerary with all the people who are going to be in your group and the times of everything that you're going to learn that day, along with more important phone numbers. So I hope this video, you find it informative and it'll help you when you come visit the Marvin factory. So let's learn something new today. Once you exit the airplane, start looking for the signs that say baggage claim. This is a very large airport. It's very busy and it is very long, so be prepared to do a lot of walking. Once you go downstairs to retrieve your luggage, start looking for the signs that say ground transport. Then when you see this sign here, you're going to want to go up the back side of this escalator here. This escalator will take you to the hotel shuttle area where you'll meet up with your hotel shuttle. So I'm here in Warrow, Minnesota. I'm waiting for the hotel bus to pick me up. I'm in the parking area for the hotel buses. You'll see the sign up there for the hotel, and we'll get to the hotel and get checked in. Okay, I think this is my shuttle bus. Made it to our hotel. Look at all this traffic around here. Can you believe how heavy and how much car traffic there is around here? Just got off the bus from the hotel. Finally arrived here at the Signature Airport. Getting ready to get on the Marvin plane. So I'm in the Signature Airport, just waiting for the Marvin airplane to show up. The pilot will come down and ask for your name. Just give him your name and then you can hop right on the Marvin plane. Here's one of the pilots now checking all our names. Why you want to pack light. There's not very much storage room on this plane. Wow, just like a little tunnel there.
This is Christine Marvin with the Marvin Companies, and welcome aboard.
Hey Eric.
Hey there, Paul. How you doing?
Doing well, and yourself?
Very well, very well.
Morning. Welcome to War Road. So we're all checking in here at the Patch Hotel. Right across the street from the Marvin factory. Checking into the hotel. Thanks, Eric. All right, checking in. And we'll drop our luggage off and go to the factory. Here we go. Nice hotel room. Where are you taking us to first, Eric?
Well, you guys are a little proficient. Let's do that. We'll take a little trek uptown here before we go back to the shop.
Okay.
One of the things we're looking at, we're doing a big, corporate office building in panels. 2 panels. They all fold in one direction. That's super cool. They're third generation Marvins there. Bob is the youngest of that group. The lake there.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that is a casino?
Okay. Yeah.
Is it operating?
It is operating. They moved on. So anyway, this is Lake of the Woods, one of the largest freshwater lakes, inland lakes. You look out there, it's quite a span out there that goes forever. Buffalo, that's Canada.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mean they don't own the bank?
Yeah, I think. Plant, that's our HR department.
Used to be the training center, didn't it?
Used to be a training center right there, right?
What,
there.
this spot right here?
The upstairs part of it was. Now it's nothing but education and marketing people. Big plan. We have a new product.
There's the training center.
Yeah, I'm Rick. Rick, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Glad you made it. Yeah. Anyway, what we're doing is
So here's Minnesota's famous Izzy's in Warroad. This is downtown Warroad. This is all of Warroad right here.
I guess we should ask you.
Here's the Queen Cut Prime Rib at the American Legion. Yep, you betcha. Here's the Patch Hotel. That's Izzy's on the inn. Lounge. There's the factory.